Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Joyce. I'm from FinTech Magazine Africa, and you are?
I'm Mr. Ntufie Mwakigonja from the Commission of Science and Technology in Tanzania.
Oh, that's nice. Today, FinTech Magazine is partnering with African Banking and Insurance Awards. What a busy day. So, I have some few questions here.
Yes.
What excites you most about the future of FinTech in Africa?
The fintech industry, of course, is growing. It's growing, and we need to put more efforts towards this industry because it is currently looks like a driver for many innovations and many technologies in Tanzania and the world and in Africa in general, of course. So I know the future of this one, this will drive other sectors as well in Africa, not only fintech itself, but fintech can also enhance the growth of other sectors. Yeah.
Okay, when you say about other sectors, what do you mean?
Yeah, we have a number of sectors that also their growth requires the support from the fintech industry. For example, agriculture, okay, is one of the sector that its growth requires the support from this fintech. We need farmers who need support from the fintech industry, but also the livestock, the fisheries, the mining sector. All these sectors, their growth and fintech also they can go together. When we foster one side, the other side also may also be growing as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
what does Costed do? Its contribution towards fintech and ICT in Tanzania.
Yeah, COSTECH is the Commission for Science and Technology. Of course, the national entity that is mandated to promote science and technology in Tanzania. Through COSTECH, we have the National Fund for Advancement of Science and Technology. That fund, of course, have received fund from the government and the other stakeholders to support science and technology, including research and innovation initiatives in Tanzania. So also, COSTECH, we have the Buni Innovation Hub, where, of course, where ideas come from. So through the support from our National Fund for Advancement of Science and Technology, we do support also innovation that is related to fintech. We have a number of technologies that we have supported that relates to fintech. And of course, very recently we were visiting innovators, and we are about to dish out funds to support the technology on the coin exchange ATM that is in Mbeya, for example, here in Tanzania. So the purpose here is to see how COSTECH contribute to fintech. So we have supported, of course, a total of 300 innovators from 2017 to this moment, and among these 300 innovators, we have almost 20% they are related to fintech technology. Yeah, yeah. But you asked also on your ICT, of course, we do have other initiative in Tanzania, of course, apart from having this, the National ICT Commission, of course, but also COSTECH, we do have the special support initiative to ICT-related technologies, also research, ICT-related research in artificial intelligence, things like that. Yeah. So to say short is like that, but we do have a special mission to ensure that ICT and FinTech, they grow up together and become, these are the drivers for other sectors that we do enhance their growth in Tanzania.
What role do you think collaboration between fintech and banks will play in shaping the future of financial services?
Yeah, of course, we have the banks because the Central Bank of Tanzania have a role to support these young innovators in Tanzania through having the platform that enhance the testing of these technologies. And also, I know at the central bank, they have opened the special department that aims to support the fintech technologies in Tanzania, the sandbox, things like that. But the purpose is to ensure that the linkage between these innovators, their technology they are developing on fintech, have a close or a direct link with its use through the banks in Tanzania, the banking sector. So we work close with our banking industry in Tanzania to enhance this growth of fintech innovations in Tanzania, to ensure that their use in the banking industry have a smooth linkage between innovators and the banks. Yeah.
What does being part of tonight's awards mean to you and your organization?
Yes, I know. Our organization, as I've said, also we always have this kind of programs to dish out funds, for example, to innovators. So we always do a competition, like it was done in this platform that you have been, you had it throughout this event. So for ourselves now, we are not only looking on the fund that you will be awarded, but on the process itself, how it was competitive, it was transparent and open to all innovators. I know the winner will have the opportunity to understand that what is the reason for their award. Okay, so when something is open and transparent, of course, it is easy for you to demonstrate how you can facilitate this process itself. So as COSTECH or Tanzania in general, we are too much related to the process itself towards achieving this innovators, toward achieving our goal to find these appropriate innovators who will be awarded. Okay, so in short, it's that, of course.
All right, thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy the awards tonight.